Idea of a triangle ABC. Yeah, you were drawing it, I think.
Sides AB and AC and ADN ठीक है. So AD is the median.
Okay.
Yes.
So yeah. We have shown that A, B, C, not a P, Q, R. Okay. So size A, B, and C, and median AD. Okay. So we already know that AB is equal to PQ and AC. Sorry, AB is proportional to PQ and AC is proportional to PR.
AB is proportional to
Proportional. Hmm.
sides
Proportion.
PQ
PQ
and
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 AC is proportional to
AC is
PR.
proportional to PR.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
so what we can do is AB is proportional means this is the symbol for proportional PQ
Yeah.
and AC is proportional to PR. So if we
Yeah. Yeah.
divide, then it loses the proportionality.
Hmm.
So this is one way to get this equation, and you can directly also write because AB is proportional to PQ. It
Yeah.
is AB by PQ. You can just write.
Hmm. Okay.
Okay, continue.
Now we know that AD is proportional to PM. So
AB is proportional to PM. Okay.
okay. So,
This also
uh,
AD by. It is drawn, I guess. No, it's
yeah.
different.
Yeah. AD by P. Yeah.
Okay.
And yeah, that's a different diagram. I think. Hmm. Um. So. Okay, screen. Yeah. Um. So. So. Mm,
So if this is the case, then we can, because if this is the case, then we can write these
mm,
uh, two sides, corresponding two sides. One is this, and one
yeah.
is this. Another is this, second one, and third is this is half
Yeah.
of QR, right?
Yeah.
Half of QR. Okay. Okay.
But that. Yeah.
ABCPQR.
don't think
Yes.
because it's not given that QR is
Yes.
proportional to
Yes. That's
BC.
what I was
So,
thinking. Hmm.
mhm.
So we need to do some
Mm, mm,
construction, it seems. What we'll do is we'll extend this medians to another point, and that would be equal to the median length. And what
oh, okay.
that will do is solve our problem. So let's keep this here. If we extend this, we are taking a d is equal to d f, suppose. So these two lengths are equal, ad and df. Okay.
Yeah.
So now what will happen is
AB equal to FB.
okay, now if this is the case, what would that help? And similarly in this
Mm,
also, we extend this median,
okay.
just think for it, how this can help.
Um, okay. I think now from here. mm,
Any any idea?
Um, so, mm, uh, yeah, angle, I mean, triangle BCF is uh,
Yes.
similar to, is
So
congruent
this
to
this
AB.
these two sides are equal. This side are equal,
Yeah,
and again because we have taken this as equal, these two things would be
yeah,
equal. Now this is a kind of parallelogram. Then if they are bisecting, that
yeah,
means it's a parallelogram.
yeah. So that means angle A will be equal to angle F.
Similarly for this, PQLR is also parallelogram. Now what does this help?
So angle P is equal to angle L
Okay.
and um, angle R equal to angle Q and yeah, PQ equal to RL, PR equal to QL.
No, just saying simply. Excuse me. Just using this parallelogram, these sides can be written as equal. This side, this opposite sides.
Yeah,
Correct. Similarly,
yeah.
for this one also.
Uh,
Now, what can we do?
so now by SAS, both triangles are congruent. So that means that that BC is equal to BC and that QR is equal to QR.
You just repeat.
Sorry, sorry. Yeah, so triangle BCF is congruent to triangle ABC, triangle PQR is congruent to QLR. and QR. And
Okay.
so that means uh,
Yes.
mm, so since if we take QLR and ABC in QLR, since AB is proportional to PQ and RL is equal to PQ, AB is proportional to RL.
Just repeat once.
So since PQ is equal to RL
Hmm.
and AB is proportional to PQ, AB will be proportional to RL.
Okay. Okay.
So and same for AC and QL. So since AC is similar to PR and PR is equal to QL, AC is similar to QL.
AC is similar to
QL
QL.
proportional to QL, yeah.
Yes. QL. Okay.
And since AD is similar to PM and PM is equal to LM, AC
Hmm.
is similar to AD is similar to AD is proportional to LM.
Okay. So
And we already know that QRL is congruent to PQR. So that means that R, angle P is equal to angle L. But
what we are trying to achieve here.
we're trying to say that if we prove, because we know if we prove that ABC is similar to QLR,
ABC is similar to what? ABC is similar to.
P, PQR or QLR.
Okay. This is what we are going to prove. Okay. So
Yeah. So we know it's a parallelogram. That means ang- angle angle uh, um,
actually, the point we are trying to achieve is you carefully observe here. We had AB and AB by PQ. We are already given A by AB by PQ. So this one.
hmm,
Okay. This is the first. First, let me know the first. Second was AC by PR. AC by PR. So this is the second ratio that was given to us. AD by PM. AD, this is the third ratio. Now what we are trying to achieve is somehow this two side ratio are given if somehow this angle becomes equal to this angle, right?
hmm,
Else ratio of this becomes equal to this, right?
yeah.
These two things we can prove. Okay, so now what we can do is if we somehow prove that these two are similar. Which one?
ABC and PQR.
A B, not C, A B F. This one, left side, left part, the left part of
ABF.
this. Okay,
Okay.
A B F and P
ABC.
Q L. This P Q L. So if this is
Oh,
proved, then angle A would automatically be equal to P,
yeah.
and that would solve our case.
Hmm.
So how do we prove ABF is similar to PQL? Now AB by PQ is already given. This is
Yeah.
already given. And what else is given?
Uh, 1 second. If we
What else? First, this is given AB by PQ.
Yeah.
What else? This also similar to
AC by PR.
AC by PR. Okay, that's the another part of the story.
That's a feed. Yeah. BF
That's
by
so we need to
so.
consider this left side triangles.
Yeah. Okay. So A. So
This
BF. Yeah. BF by QL
so BF, yeah, BF by QL. So how did we know this?
because AC is equal to BF
Exactly.
and sorry
Yes.
AC is equal to QL and
Yes.
yeah.
Because AC
Yeah.
by PR was
QL.
given to us.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Two
Yeah.
things. Further,
Then
this also more or
yeah,
less
this is the
given.
median. Yeah,
Yes.
PL is equal to 2
Yes.
PM
So
and
AF
AF is equal to 2 AD
by PL. Basically, it is 2AD divided by
by 2 PM.
ML. Okay.
Yeah,
ML. Okay.
yeah.
So now this is proved. This is similar. Okay.
Hmm.
Done. Right.
Yeah.
And so angle A is equal to angle P.
Hmm.
Done.
Yeah.
So by SAS we have BAD, angle BAD. Getting
So B. Yeah, yeah. I
is
agree.
similar to triangle QPM.
Okay.
Is it okay?
And, yeah.
If this is the case, then angle B is equal to angle Q.
Hmm.
So one angle is this, and one ratio is this, and another ratio, another ratio. How to find AB by AC by, okay, this was given.
Hmm.
We can, if we have this also prove, this we can prove also this angle, this
Hmm.
CAD, using the same
CAD and MPR.
RPL, right?
Yeah.
Using triangles CAF and P R P.
R. Yeah. R.
So this would come equal, and if this is equal, then this would be equal to whole of P.
Hmm. So SAS.
So
And
yes, we can prove.
hmm. Okay.
The most complicated question till now, I guess.
One thing, can I just switch
Yes.
off this light and turn on this
Yeah.
light over here?
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes. Pranay is more visible. Okay. So
Yeah.
I'll repeat once because it will have forgot. So we had been given two triangles ABC and PQR,
Hmm.
and the ratio of the above two sides and the median was given equal.
Yeah.
Okay. Now the problem is we don't have any. We need to prove these two triangles ABC and PQ are similar. Now the problem is we don't have any angles, and the third base that is in ratio in proportional to the other triangles base ratio, right? So
Hmm.
we do some construction here. We extend this to whatever the corresponding points F and L were, such that AD is equal to DF and PM is equal to ML.
Hmm.
Now, what this would do is it would help us prove. ABF and PQL as similar. It will basically what we do is we prove this parallelogram and we get the opposite sides equal. Okay, we get opposite sides equal.
Hmm.
We get these things. On extending, we prove this two as parallelogram, and if this is the case, the opposite sides would be equal.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
first we did a construction, second we proved it is a parallelogram, and from this we got opposite sides equal. Now using this opposite sides as equal, we got just manipulated these two, in fact the second ratio for proving the left side, that is ABF similar to PQL,
Okay.
right?
Hmm.
This thing. Okay.
Yeah. Got it.
And AF, because AD was equal to DF by construction, so twice of AD is obviously AF, and that is proportional to PL, because AD was given proportional to PM, so twice of that would also be proportional.
Okay.
So this left triangle was similar to this left part triangle, that is PQL. And similarly, we can prove the right hand side triangles, these triangles, CAF and triangle RPL. Okay.
Hmm. Yeah.
If this is proven, so this angle and this angle comes out to be equal, and we add this, and using SAS we prove this to be similar.
Okay. Hmm.
Is it fine?
Yeah.
So without construction, I guess it is very, I don't know how do we do that. 15th.
Hmm. A vertical pole of length 6 meters casts a shadow 4 meters on the ground at the same time. A tower casts a shadow 28-meter long. Find the height of the tower. Okay. So first we draw the 6
Just try.
meter. Hmm.
We did a similar question.
Mm-hmm.
You can try on your own if you want.
Oh yeah, yeah. I can do.
Mm, just yes.
Okay, so the triangles formed by the two structures will be similar by SAS.
SAS, really?
Yeah, I don't know if you can see it.
How?
So the 90 degrees will be equal.
Okay, just tell me the figure, how to construct that. Rough.
Yeah, so I made A, B, C.
Yeah, you're saying something?
No, no, I'm just,
You're comfortable writing?
yeah, yeah. Okay, so the height of the other tower will be 42 meters.
42.
Yeah.
Okay, that's right. No need to solve. Okay.
Hmm.
Next one you can try on your own because we have been doing
Yeah.
questions.
AD and PM are
We did
medians
it.
respectively.
Did this. It sounds I did this.
Yeah, I've done so
Okay,
many like that.
just redo this because I need to
Yeah, okay.
do something.
Mhm.
I need to take some points from this question.
Okay. Mhm.
Far simpler than the 14th.
Mhm.
How do we do that?
So AB is equal to PQ is similar to P is proportional to PQ, AD proportional to PM, and half of BC is proportional to half of QR.
Just once again.
So AB is proportional to PQ, AD is proportional to PM, yeah, AD by PM,
Okay.
and is equal to half BC by QR.
This we need to prove.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. So from the first from uh, ABC similar to PQR, we get that AB is similar to PQ.
A, B, C, P, Q. We get
Yeah, that AB is similar to PQ.
A, B is
It's
similar to.
proportional to PQ.
Okay. So A, okay, fine.
AB is
Okay.
proportional to PQ.
First, this is done.
And yeah, and P and it's already given. Sorry. Okay, it's given that BC is similar to QR,
Okay.
so half BC is proportional to half QR,
Okay.
and it's also and since the triangles are similar, angle ABC is equal to angle PQR.
Okay.
So by SAS, the similar, and then AB by PQ is equal to AD by PM.
Okay. Now this
Hmm.
prove what we have just proved is
Yeah.
actually, if you see, that is applicable for few other cases also, just like altitude. So that is far simpler than even the median. If AD was a median, so this was 90 degree, PM was 90 degree,
Mhm.
and then you can prove that this ratio would be equal, isn't it?
Yeah.
And it is also very simple to prove in case of angle bisectors. So if they
Okay.
are angle bisectors, and we can prove this one angle, this another angle becomes equal, right?
Hmm.
B is equal to angle Q, and half of A and half of P is equal. So we can write this angle as equal, right?
Hmm.
So by AA, this two left hand side parts are equal, similar triangles.
Yeah.
Got this?
Hmm. Got it.
So on similar lines, we can prove a lot of cases. Okay.
Hmm.
So why this was required is it would come in future. So I just
Yeah.
meant you just remember this. Okay. So hope this exercise is at least understood uh,
Yeah.
at the first go. So you can just try one, two times. Things would be more clear. But the point is just two things: three things: SAS, and
Yeah.
SS.
Hmm.
Three things, just three things we used. Okay.
Yeah. Hmm.
So I just wanted to do one, two questions from the past exercise that I missed from RS Agarwal. So just
Okay.
let's do one, two questions, and we'll go ahead
Yeah.
to the next exercise then. In RS Agarwal, a lot of other small topics are given that I found
Okay.
was not really relevant. It is
Hmm.
connected, but it's not relevant. So I
Okay.
just didn't cover that. It's not in the syllabus that I didn't cover, but it was somehow related, and it was given in RS Agarwal. I didn't touch that.
Hmm.
In case you come across, you can just be aware.
Yeah. Okay.
So what I want to do is just like this angle bisector theorem. So this was on lines of this, but it is not in the syllabus exactly. So I didn't cover
Okay.
that.
Hmm.
Okay, so till now what we discussed Thales theorem. That is first time I mentioned this name. Thales theorem is basically the basic proportionality theorem. The another name is Thales
Okay.
theorem.
Hmm.
And what else?
Then we did the different rules we use to decide whether it is the triangle is similar to another or not.
Yes. So similarity criteria.
Yeah, and yeah, that's about it.
And this was the question I wanted to. Ninth.
The ratio of perimeters of two similar triangles is the same. Perimeter is the same as the ratio of the corresponding sides.
Okay, now
Okay,
without going this, just read the 10th example.
okay. If the perimeters of two similar triangles are 25 and 15 centimeters respectively, if one side of the first triangle is 9 centimeters, find the corresponding side of the second triangle.
Now,
Okay.
obviously, we'll be proving this. So this should be the ratio of perimeter should be equal to the side ratio, isn't it?
Side ratio. Yeah.
So this is the answer for this. So how does that
Hmm.
you know arrive? How do we arrive at that conclusion? It's basically, you know if these two triangles are similar, this is given, right?
Hmm. Yeah.
Perimeters of two similar triangles. So two similar triangles that is given. So that means A by B. Just check the corresponding side
Hmm.
ratio. B by Q and C by R. So what they are
Hmm.
asking us to do is to prove this as
A plus B plus C plus B plus C
this,
plus
right?
R. Yeah.
So now we can prove this. How do we do that? So if this is K, then A becomes PK, B becomes QK, and C becomes RK.
Yeah.
Just put this here.
Hmm.
So we get PK,
Yeah.
QK, RK by PQR. So K is the
Common
the
term.
final value for this. PQR gets
Yeah.
cancelled from numerator and
Hmm.
denominator, and K is left. Okay. So this was what?
Okay.
This was basically the ratio of perimeters, right?
Yeah. So, yeah. K is equal to both it. Okay.
This is the starting point, right?
Yeah.
So this is equal to K, correct?
Okay. Yeah.
And what is this equal to? Equal to the ratio of the corresponding sides.
Yeah. Okay. Hmm.
Is it okay?
Yeah.
So little mathematically it is manipulated, but it's very simple result that we get from this.
Hmm.
Is it okay?
Yeah.
Okay. So probably by like rarely it may come, but it is a very important result. You should be knowing.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Okay. So we'll continue ahead with our next exercise.
Okay.
So AAA and AA, SSS and SAS we have discussed. So probably this was, as I mentioned, this was the most exhaustive exercise of the whole NCRT textbook probably.
No.
That's done, and
Hmm.
let's move. Area of similar triangles. So we are studying ratio of sides, right? A ratio of sides
Yeah.
for the first triangle. Okay, just consider this S1 by S2. Now what they are saying is we have another theorem that states that the ratio of areas of two similar triangles would be equal to the square of ratio of their corresponding sides. So if we have two
Okay.
triangles that are similar, if we take the ratio of that area ratio, that would be equal to the sorry PQ, the square ratio of the corresponding sides.
Okay. Yeah. Mhm. Mm.
So let's go through the proof quickly. Again,
So
we draw the,
this
yes, sorry.
oh no. Okay.
So we draw
There's
an
nothing.
altitude. We draw an
Hmm.
altitude for each of this. So we draw
Half
into
AB.
n
Half AB into BC by
because
half
why?
PQ
Yeah,
into.
we had area here, na? So area is the
Yeah.
standard method of finding area. So area of
Yeah.
triangle ABC would be
Half AM into BC.
m into
Half into AM into BC. Yeah.
yes, and for
And PQ would be half into PN into QR. Yeah.
okay, so
So
half
half and half.
gets cancelled.
Yeah. AM by PN into BC by
So
QC.
now if you see, we have got 75% of the question solved. This ratio is given,
Hmm.
okay,
Yeah.
and this one part is given, okay, one part we have got. So somehow we
Hmm.
need to convert this to this, right?
Yeah.
So
Uh,
how do we do that? Now we can do that using,
oh yeah.
yes,
Um. Uh,
we
oh
can
yeah.
put these two similar and then take the ratios.
Yeah. That's
Okay,
yeah.
how do we do that?
So we know that so AMB is equal to triangle angle AMB is equal to angle PNQ.
Triangle
Then
AMB. Okay,
so angle AMB is
yes,
equal to angle PNQ. So
okay,
by and then uh, BC by QR. So and it's given that ABC is similar to PQR. So
yes.
PQ by AB is equal to
Is that needed?
yeah.
When is that needed? Because
Mm,
this we have got 90. Can we have?
yeah.
It solves the purpose
Then
because only two angles are needed to prove similar.
yeah. So okay, so then ABC and VHPQ angle ABC and angle PQR.
Yes. So B and Q are equal. So these two
Yeah,
left hand side are similar. So we can
yeah.
take AB by
PQ,
PQ is equal to AM by PN, right?
PN. Yeah,
Okay.
is equal to yeah. Okay.
Fine. Now, if this is proved, so from this we can take this is suppose the second equation is the first equation, and because they were similar triangles, can we write AB by PQ is equal to uh, AC by PR is equal to BC by QR? Excuse me. Can we write?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. So can we write?
Hmm.
Can we write this corresponding to these two?
Hmm.
Correct.
Yeah,
So from 2 and 3 we have BC by Q. Your cough is coming to me also.
Sorry?
Nothing, just your cough was
Yeah.
coming to me also. I was just saying,
Oh.
communicable. So this is true.
Yeah.
So from first and fourth, we got this. Is it okay?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Hmm. Okay.
So this is uh, one section of this, and similarly we can interchange the altitudes, and we can prove this and this.
Okay.
So we'll need not solve and show it. We can just write similarly if it is needed. Is it okay?
Okay. Yeah.
Similarly, we found this. So hope you got this theorem.
Yeah, I got it.
So quickly, what we did was we drew the altitude, and using the altitude, because area was given, so we somehow needed to find the area, and for that
Hmm.
um, we just, yeah, simply we wrote the formula, and we needed to convert this AM by PN to BC by QR to get the ratio, desired ratio, right? Square
Yeah.
ratio, side square ratio. So for that, what we
Hmm.
did is we proved the left hand portion of this bigger triangles to be similar to the corresponding left side triangles, and then we took some ratio and equated that to the initial bigger triangle ratio. Okay,
Hmm.
and
Hmm.
then we just put in the first equation and we got what was required to find. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so it is very simple and you'll find the questions also quite simple.
Okay.
Okay, let's go with the first example, ninth.
Figure 6.43. The line segment X for parallel to
Hope you
side
got
AC
hope
of
you got this.
triangle.
It was simple.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. X was parallel to AC of ABC and a device triangle to two parts of equal area. Find the ratio AX by AB. Okay. So, uh, so half. Okay, you have to first draw the. No, no, we don't
So what
actually.
is given?
Uh, so, uh, okay, so area of AX YC.
Area of XYC.
No, XIB
Mhm.
is equal to area of AXYB.
Area of what?
The two line segments XY divided.
The line segment is parallel to divides the triangle into two parts of equal areas. Okay, that
So
is
AXYC.
XYC. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So now we can write area of triangle XBY as uh, um, no area.
See, we need AX by AB, right?
Yeah.
So AX by AB. So just take this ratio of
ABC.
these two small
AB.
triangles, this triangle and the bigger triangle. Just take the ratio, isn't it?
Okay, so yeah, so
Area
area of ABC
ABC.
by
Now
area of
this is because it is parallel, so these are similar triangles, obviously.
yeah.
First is this. We need to prove this. This is the first point, starting point.
Okay.
Okay. After proving this, then we can prove other things. That is
Area
x
of
b
XBY
y. That ratio would
is
be
equal
ax a
square
no not
AB
ax square
square
ab square
by
by
BX square.
b no by
BX square.
okay by bx square. Okay.
Yeah.
Now
So
what is that? Something on either on the left or right. So right, I fear we don't have anything. On the left we do
hmm.
have something. So what's the, because this is double of this na, so we can write this is 2 is to 1,
Uh,
right?
yeah,
This is
yeah,
twice. Okay,
yeah. So
it's clear, right? 2 is to 1,
yeah, yeah.
and this ab by bx square.
It's two by
So
one.
ab by bx is equal to root 2. That is easy.
Yeah.
So
So AX by
yeah, so
AB.
AB is okay. AB is in the denominator. In the numerator, we can flip that. We need to find
Yeah.
AX. So
So
how do we find AX? Yeah,
AX is okay. So
we had one small trick that I mentioned
A
for
yeah.
converting the lengths, either shortening them or taking the bigger one. How do we do that? If smaller is given, to convert to big one. If bigger length is given, to convert it to shorter one. Plus minus one, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So what we
Mhm.
do, we can subtract here because we need a shorter length.
AB minus yeah.
So we do is subtract. What this would do is just a moment. We need AB. Just a moment.
Mm.
We need AB. So for AB, okay. So we can't take this. We need to take the inverse of that. So AB won't stay there. Is it okay?
Yeah.
Hmm?
Yeah.
So now it is okay because AB will stay as it is. Now we
Yeah.
will keep in AB somewhere. Fortunately, we got AB in denominator also.
Hmm.
So 1 minus root 2 by root 2.
Root
Is
two.
it okay?
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
what is BX minus AB? BX minus AB. So this is the smaller length.
1 minus 2. Yeah.
It is minus AX.
Yeah.
We can write minus AX by AB. 1 minus root 2 by root 2. So just
Root two.
converting this to plus.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Of course, if we knew that we needed
Hmm.
plus AX, of course we knew that. But what they did, they multiplied by minus both sides and then 1 minus. So that is obviously not very, uh,
Uh,
obvious. Correct. It's not so obvious. So
okay.
this we know that we can, if we have a bigger side and we needed a smaller side, then we subtract it, right? This we know.
Okay.
So and you got this step.
Yeah, I got that.
Hmm. So which step is unclear?
Oh, yeah, I got
Let
it
me
now.
just quickly brush through it
Yeah.
from the beginning.
Yeah.
The line segment XY is parallel to AC of a triangle ABC, and it divides the triangle into two equal parts. So we need to find AX by AB. AX by AB. So AX we can't find from any triangle because it can't be. It is just a part of this quadrilateral, strange quadrilateral,
Okay.
trapezium to say. Now, but we can do is 1 minus if we do this 1 minus bx, right?
Mm.
So that we have studied a small trick in 2 3 questions. So then we can obviously ab minus of bx we would get ax. That is for sure.
Okay.
Okay. So keeping this in mind, and again because the what this is the ratio of side. Now side ratio, how do we find? There are a lot of things, but in this we have this thing, this area coming up, right?
Mm.
Now what can we relate areas and ratio of sides? Obviously just the theorem that we
The
studied just
square of the side is equal to area.
that we need to use. Is it okay till now?
Yeah.
But use this, okay. So now this is equal, and if this is equal, and
Mm.
taking these ratios. So how do we take these ratios? This can be only taken when we prove these two triangles as similar. That we proved because it was parallel. So by AA it was similar.
Yeah. Okay.
This, this step is possible only when this is possible, right? This is important.
Mm.
Correct here? Till now?
Yeah.
Okay. Now this is equal to the square ratio of the corresponding sides.
Mm.
And this ratio was 2 is to 1. This was twice because obviously this and this are equal. So if we add this, the ABC would be twice of BXY.
Okay.
So this ratio came to be 2 is to 1.
That's good. Yeah.
Fine.
Yeah.
And this taking to just corresponding to the right hand side of this theorem, AB square
Mm.
by XB square is equal to 2 by 1. Just equating this.
Uh-huh.
Now this becomes root 2 by 1. Now the
Uh,
problem is we need to find AX, but we have BX.
BX. Yeah.
And but one thing is, again we already know that, but one thing we need to one thing which is quite clearly visible, AB is the bigger portion of XB, means XB is a part of AB, right?
Mm.
So somehow we subtract -1, or in case we needed a bigger length we add 1, so that's not needed right now, but we needed to get us other portion of this, so we take -1 of whatever this is given, but AB was given in the denominator, so we took AB in the denominator and then we did a subtraction of -1.
Okay. Yeah. Mhm. Hmm.
Now on solving, we get whatever this minus ax by ab is equal to minus 1 plus root 2. This was
Okay.
like this. If we multiply this by minus 1, it becomes root 2 minus 1 by root 2.
Okay.
Fine.
Yeah.
So, two, three concepts used in the single question. First was the similarity concept of AA.
Hmm.
Second was the area of two figures, just simple area ratio of two figures, 2:1
Okay.
ratio. Third is the theorem that we just did.
Yeah.
Fourth was the tricky part of subtracting one from LHS and RHS.
I'm agreed now. Yeah. Hmm.
Okay, fine.
Got it. Yeah.
Okay. So we can do a couple of questions, one, two, three, whatever number of questions we can try. 5, 7 minutes we'll take more. Just try with the first. Are you comfortable? What?
Yeah. Yeah. Uh, feeling more comfortable now.
Okay.
Let ABC be similar to DEF and their areas respectively 64 centimeters square and 121 centimeters square. If EF is equal to 50.4 centimeters, find BC. Okay.
We need to be very sure what concept we will use, right? So we need to see here
Mm-hmm.
areas is given and sides are
Mm.
given. So then obviously we did the theorem just now, but in the exam we don't know where it is coming from.
Okay.